Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 7399. It's ran from the 10th 2012 to the 7th 2021. It's a 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left front door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,